Good afternoon, Dean Davison, liveweatherblogs.com, meteorologist here with a storm update. Unfortunately, right now, I'll be putting this up on the website as soon as it gets back up, but I will be putting this on Facebook and on Twitter. So let's start here. We have the low pressure down near to Florida. We're actually getting some severe weather here in Florida. We've got to watch out for that. Some isolated severe weather in Florida possible today. We got snow and ice starting to get itself together here in North Carolina, South Carolina. Come out 9 inches. Parts of upstate South Carolina, 4 to 5 inches in Atlanta, depending on where in Atlanta you're going. So this is definitely moving in. And here we go. It moves. We start getting it in Roanoke. As these two storms this is where it's going to be a big issue in the Northeast. These two storms are going to phase. And we've talked about phasing. That's when the jet streams get together and we get a bombing out low. We're going to see that happen. So here we go. The two lows will start influencing all the weather here in North Carolina, South Carolina, Virginia, Roanoke, up to Charlottesville, going towards D.C., and then we're going to move this thing up. Here it goes. Ice will also be an issue in Roanoke. We're talking about 10th to quarter-inch ice, so let's watch that carefully also. And then watch what happens here. Here goes phase. Boom. Depending on exactly where that storm phases will be how much snow in far South Jersey, Philadelphia area will get. They're going to get significant snow, but how much? I mean, probably 5 to 8 in southern parts of New Jersey. That could definitely increase to like 10 to 20 if it phases and starts bombing out south of the current projection. And I mean, phasing could be 50, 100 miles to make a big difference. And then it really bombs out for Boston. They're looking at a big blizzard. We're going to have some mixing issues in Boston, but we'll see what happens. North and west of Boston definitely going to get a blizzard. Parts of Connecticut, parts of Rhode Island. You can see, look at that storm bombed out, and it's going to move itself away. Luckily, it won't stall for too long before high pressure builds in towards the weekend. Okay, this is not a normal situation where you get 3/4 of a good chunk of the country under winter weather advisories. Let's see, parts of Kansas, Colorado, New Mexico, Texas, Oklahoma, Nebraska, Iowa, parts of Minnesota, parts of North Dakota, parts of Illinois, most of Missouri, parts of Arkansas, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, Tennessee, Kentucky, Virginia, Georgia, South Carolina, Maryland, Delaware, New Jersey, New York, Rhode Island, Connecticut, Massachusetts, parts of southern Vermont, and New Hampshire. I think I hit Indiana there. And then we're going to, I think, far southern part of Maine even. That's a lot of states with winter weather issues. And we're not even talking about here in Alaska, but that is a huge part of real estate that we're seeing that happening. Mid-Atlantic loop radar here at 12:50 in the afternoon. Charlotte's going to get in snow. Raleigh, some slight snow south of Roanoke right now. This is going to get definitely going to pick up and increase in intensity with the low out to the west starting to get some energy into the area with the slow to the south. Freezing rain and sleet. You see the freezing rain near Myrtle Beach, near Holden Beach, North Carolina, Topsail Beach. We're going to see snow along the coast with ice also. Very much a messy situation occurring here, and this is a mid-Atlantic view, so nothing in New Jersey and Washington and D.C. that area yet, but it will be coming that way. Anywhere west of this line. One to 3 inches. You're in this general area. 3 to 5. You're south of that, you're looking at 4 to 8 inches of snow. And that's going to be in a small spot, like Lynchburg area. But even beyond that, you have the snow total to be held down because the big issue we're going to have here is ice. And here's a projection by Live Weather Blog's meteorologist, Doug Malagary. I like his snow total map. It's very, very detailed, and this could also change. The 10 and 20 could move back down to the south and west. This all depends on how where it bombs out. So this 10 and 20 area could move to the southwest and encompass parts of Burlington County, Atlantic County. If the low bombs out in that general area, or even in this general area, you're going to have that happen. 6 to 8 along the coast with ice. There will be ice involved. Philadelphia, you're in the 5 to 8 range, so that's a significant snowfall. But New York City, 10 to 20. New York, we don't want to hear you say that we weren't ready for this one. We're warning you. Weather Service is warning you and letting you know. Further north and east of that, we could get above 20 inches. So we'll see how this all branches out. We still have a little bit of time to go. We will be nowcasting the storm. So the forecast for Roanoke Valley, 33. Snow developing this afternoon. Snow tonight, 25. Wintry mix of snow and sleet. Tuesday, 30. Freezing rain and sleet. Tuesday night with some snow possibly developing. After that, back on top of that, which can make a really big mess. So a 3 to 5 inch snowfall total is what we're looking at here in the Roanoke Valley. I'll have more information later. iWeatherblog.com. This is Dean Davis. Have a great evening. Good night.